So I thought I'd show you a little bit about how I packed, and I showed a little bit when I first unpacked my first day, my first afternoon in Paris, but I wanted to show you how I'm doing it. So I thought it might be helpful. Don't watch if it's not. Anyway, this is the pile of things that I'm going to wear tomorrow, sitting here on the end of the bed. I pulled back my covers because this bed, you can see the cabinets are on either side and they stick out 2 feet. There's no nightstand. So I made, but it's a king size bed. So I made the side of the bed my nightstand, especially since I've been having some health issues. This is my TENS unit, which has been a lifesaver for my back. Really quite amazing. This is a Moxa heat pack that you can get on Amazon. Some of these things I'm going to try to become an affiliate for, and I'll give you links, and then maybe I can make a couple bucks if you buy them. But I'm not that yet. This you can get on Amazon. It came from my acupuncturist, Daniel Martin. Turned me on to those. Here's my organic bamboo fly mask. Fly mask is what a horse wears in the summer. I'm worried about the horses and the flies, clearly. An eye mask. My homeopathy cold calm and silicosinum. There's a Tylenol, just in case I wake up in the middle of the night and my throat or something is hurting so much. I've been in a lot of pain with my COVID. Here is my little sharp alarm clock that shows no light unless I push on the button. I never go anywhere without it. Extra pair of reading glasses. Actually, these are the reading glasses I use at night because they're blue light blocking, and these are the morning ones. I didn't know if I'd be able to get out of bed. This is the pouch of free amenity things that I got on my Air France business class seat, and I'm using it now for the TENS unit. Of course, a little arnica gel for when the back, the knees, the feet, the neck hurt. So that's my nighttime stuff. Here are my packing cubes, and I wasn't sure if I was going to use them. We have them, and I did use a few coming here, and it was really helpful because my suitcase was too heavy to carry up the stairs in the guest house that first day. So I pulled those out and put them in a shopping bag. Brilliant, right? It made my suitcase really light, and I got to carry them up separately. So in that regard, it worked really well. I learned on YouTube, here's a stack of clothes that I will take back. I just wanted to show you what they were because some were useful and some were not. These are just t-shirts and tank tops. But this is my sun shirt. I wear these all the time because I don't like to get sun exposure. My family struggles with skin cancer. It's a little bit heavy, but it's a good color for me, and I brought it. This is a pair of nice shorts, and I didn't wear them once. This is a very ultra thin button-down cotton shirt. I wore it a lot, and I'm going to wear the blue one tomorrow on the plane. This is just a little sleeveless blouse that I only wore when I did my workshops. A pair of loose linen slacks that they're cropped. They're little, my ankles are bare, depending on how tight I tie the strings. And a pair of techie khaki pants. I wore them quite a bit, actually. This washcloth ended up in my luggage because something was damp. I can't remember what. I don't know if I'll take it home or not. And a couple of bandanas. I traveled with 4. I always do. Oh, there's my little pillow. The pillows in this Airbnb are so thick. There's no way I could have slept with them. Here's my little organic wool pillow, which is the miniature version of the one I use at home. It's organic cotton pillowcase. And this is a drawstring bag that came with some organic sheets many years ago, and I always carry my pillow in it. This is my dirty clothes bag. It's a nice, big, very lightweight bag that I inherited from my niece, Hope, and her hand-me-downs. Here's that new hat and the regular hat, foldable hat. I did bring a Whole Foods shopping bag. I used it a million times. This snake is a gift from one of my classmates. I always travel with a shoehorn because I hate to untie my sneakers. I inherited this little chip clip from my friend Annette from the Netherlands. I thought it was cool because it's a souvenir from the Netherlands. And she gave me a couple other things too. And here is my mala from my son Asher from when he was in Nepal. I take it everywhere with me. It helps me feel grounded. Sometimes I use it to meditate, and I also just love having it because it was his. So one of the things I learned was you can put your dirty clothes in one of your travel cubes, and I'm packing cubes, and I may just do that. So there's my little suitcase, and I've made a decision to to fill with as heavy a things as I possibly can my day pack.